so excited to be sharing with you. There's a new eyeshadow palette that I just received from Juvia's place, and it's the Afrogalactic collection. I am so excited, and I cannot wait to see how or what I'm going to create with this palette. Well, my outfit today was inspired by the Juvia's place Afrogalactic collection eyeshadow palette too. Let me just throw that in there, and I'm quite excited to see what I'm gonna be able to create with it. And without any further ado, let's just jump on it and see what we can make. Yeah, to prime our eyelids, gonna be going in with this MAC concealer. I'm gonna use the lighter shade. Just gonna apply all over my eyelid. Yeah, think I've packed it quite well. I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. I'm gonna go in with that dark purple called Mars. Place it right above my crease. It is super pigmented. I love it. Just dabbing a little at a time. And then now I'm gonna jump into the eyeshadow called Galaxy, which is that orange shade, but I'm just gonna put very little. I don't want it to be too much, and this is just gonna help me blend out that eyeshadow, purple eyeshadow called Mars. Just gonna add just a little bit right there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend both of them together, just to help this purple not to look so intense. Matching up with the orange. Blending it downwards. So now I'm gonna cut the crease. I love cut creases. I love cutting creases. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the same concealer that we use to prime our eyelids, and it's time to cut. I'm just gonna map out how I want it to look. Map out the way I want it. And I'm gonna pull that tail a little bit upwards, exaggerated, like so. In a corner, I don't know, right here at the end of my eyes, and I'm just gonna pull it and make it meet the other tail that we just did on the top. So now I'm just gonna go in with that eyeshadow called Bellona. Looking good. That's the one. It's like a champagne, and I'm just gonna pack it all over that eyelid space, just like so. I'm just gonna make sure that I also add on to the tail that we just created right here. I'm feeling like putting colorful eyeliner, and I'm just gonna place it right there. Oh, that's pretty bright. Yeah. Right there, just to meet up with that pink. And this is what I'm gonna make my tail with. I feel like going in with that Wakanda. The Wakanda. A little bit this way. Yep, just like so. And then Just gonna drag this towards the purple. Dark purple called Mars, right beneath that black. And also underneath that dark purple that we applied earlier. Yeah, okay, so the face, I'm gonna go in with the Essence Fix and Last Jelly Primer. Just gonna put a little up here and there. Just gonna put this in this. Let's not forget the forehead with the Huda Beauty foundation right here. I should probably just put a picture, insert a picture in there, and I'm gonna be using this right here, a few pumps of that. And I'm just gonna press it in. I like pressing in my products rather than wiping. Don't forget your forehead, girl. And this is where I'm gonna correct or clean up that eyeshadow the way that I want it to look neat. I want it to look neat. Around it, and then when it gets to the tail, I'm gonna pull it just like that. I'm just gonna start pulling that concealer away from the eyes or towards the face. Now we got that going on. I'm just gonna highlight the center of my nose just like that. Dip, dip, dip. Right on the tip. And a little bit right on the center of my forehead. And right there. Not gonna do too much. Then I'm gonna go in with the same sponge that I use for my foundation, and I'm gonna take the tip of it and I'm just gonna blend now right underneath the eye, being very careful not to smudge it. Just like that. Once we're happy with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the center, forehead, and that chin. So you should be looking like this. Okay. Next up, I'm just gonna take some powder, and of course I'm going in with the 𝐔𝐏𝐋𝐿 powder, and this one is in the what shade? Light brown. It's a light brown shade. Using the very same sponge, I'm gonna use it like a slight contour. Just like that. How are you gonna do it? And then I feel like going in with a little bit of the darker concealer right there, darkest one here, and I'm just gonna slightly curve my nose ever so slightly, not too dramatic, pulling it towards my brows just like that. Keep everything a minute, and then I am gonna take my powder brush and I'm just gonna remove the excess powder underneath my eyes, most importantly, and right there. forehead as well. Going in that blush a little, okay, that's too much. Gonna take this baby right here. I'm gonna blend it out. Press it in, brush it back. Press it in, brush it back, like so. And I'm gonna go in with that Too Faced highlighter. Yeah, it's got really good colors that I thought might go pretty well with this look. It has a little bit of pink pigment on it. Pink shimmers rather. Just gonna put that right on top like that. Cupid's bow. Yeah? See? Right on the center. Like, maybe I should use my fingers. So that's how we look. And then I'm gonna be going in with the MAC lipstick, purplish, and this one's called Heroin. You can line our lips with a darker color. I usually like to line my lips after the lipstick because that way I know exactly where I'm gonna put my liner. And that's mainly because I've got fuller lips. Next, I'm just gonna take some lip gloss. And the lip gloss I'm gonna be going in with is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in a shade called Confetti. A little bit like that. And so this is how it turned out. Let me know which other looks you would like me to create using this palette, and yeah, I'll make sure that I do that. Just give me some suggestions, ideas of also upcoming videos you'd like me to do. And if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. See you next time.